Hi you guys, it's Lex the Fashionista back with another video. This is a Telfar unboxing video. I hope everyone is doing well. If you want to see what I purchased, keep on watching. I purchased this gold Telfar small shopping bag. That's why it's so small. I really wish I would have got a medium, y'all. I don't like small purses, but I don't know, like I just bought it because I was trying to match with these shoes. I'll show y'all in a second the shoes beside the purse. And I just was beating myself up about it because I was like, why you didn't get a medium bag? Or because the large is really big. Mind you, I don't like small bags and I like large bags, but that large bag, I'll be carrying it. If you haven't seen that Telfar unboxing video, go watch it, go check it out. But I carry it from time to time and it's really big. So the medium is like right in the middle. I think that's more my size. But this small baby is gonna be really little. But I'm about to unbox it and I'm gonna show you guys the shoes that I already had to match the purse. So yeah. It wasn't that hard to open. I didn't even need my scissors. Just a little small Telfar bag with the dust bag on the outside. And the little drawstring bag on the inside. So little, y'all. So little. And this is the bag. My Telfar. Drop down below which bag y'all cop. And this is a unisex bag. It's not just for women. It's for men as well. They have a drop this Thursday. And it's gonna be a silver bag. I think I'm gonna cop that. Y'all should go check that out too. They had a black drop yesterday. A black bag. I didn't cop that one. But this is the bag. It has the small straps and it has the larger straps. You can wear it as a crossbody. You can put it on your arm. Yeah, I got this big old bun, so I ain't gonna even try it. But it's really little. But I knew what was to be expected because I watched some videos before the item got delivered. So I kind of already knew what was up. This is not, I'm not a small purse girl. Like I said, I don't know what made me get a medium. I think I was being cheap at the time, to be totally honest with y'all. Being cheap. But this is the bag, and I'm gonna show you guys the shoes. This is the shoes. And that's why I bought the bag. These shoes are from Shop Official B. I unboxed these shoes, I think, in another video. Actually, no, I didn't. Because my ring light was broken. Yeah, my ring light had broke. Didn't make a video when they got delivered, and I was ready to wear them, so I didn't make a video on it. But they got these from Shop Official B. Telfar. They matched perfectly. When I saw the bag drop, I was like, they look like the shoes that I got. So I bought them for this specific reason. I still should have got a medium because I don't have a gold purse. But the small just gonna have to do. I'm gonna just put my phone in it, some lip gloss, and call it a day. And I can wear it to work. And if you wanna put the straps inside I don't think it's not gonna fit because the strap's too big. But, you know. You just gotta wear it how you wear it. And I paid $162.38 for this bag. It's cute though. It's just really small. But yes. Just imagine like the possibilities that you could wear with these two items. Some jeans, you could wear a skirt, you could wear a dress. So many endless possibilities, y'all. Like Style and fashion is just what you like. It's not what the world is wearing. It's not. I know I'm always preaching on my videos. I know I am, but it's. I just be having to get through to some people in case, somebody's actually listening and trying to do, or like to do fashion and style and stuff like that. I'm trying to get through to some, whether it's young, older, my age. I'm trying to get through to somebody. Style is about whatever you put on. If you think that blue skirt and that purple shirt go together, mix it with the shoes and the accessories, come on. It's about you. It's about what you like. Not what Instagram like, not who on Instagram wearing it. It's about you. All about you. So this was a simple, easy unboxing video. See, yeah, it don't fit. You could try to make it fit, but so like I said, I think I'll be back when I purchase the silver medium Telfar bag. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at LexTheFashionista_, so I can keep you guys updated and so y'all could like some pictures, and if you have some ideas that you want to DM me, you can do that as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can comment if you like the bag, if you don't like the bag, if you bought a bag and you liked it, what colors did you purchase, things like that. I will be back, you guys, with another video pretty soon. And yeah, peace.
You're so special to me, and I swear you can have